Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TurboTax to import credit card interest easy tutorials. Open your TurboTax application on your computer or device. Log into your TurboTax account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the federal section of your tax return. Look for the Deductions and Credits tab and click on it. Scroll down to find interest you paid and select it. Now, locate the option for Credit Card Interest and click on Start. TurboTax may ask if you want to import your financial information from your credit card. Select the option to import your data. You will be directed to a page where you can choose your credit card provider. Find and select your credit card company from the list. Log in with your credit card account credentials as prompted. TurboTax will securely retrieve your credit card interest information. Review the imported data for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments if you find discrepancies. Once everything looks correct, confirm the information in TurboTax. This will automatically populate the interest amount on your tax return. Continue to follow the prompts to complete your tax preparation. If you have further questions, refer to TurboTax support for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.